Hi everyone, welcome back to Divine Angels 11. I'm Ashna and today I'm doing the angel reading for the week of 12 July 2021 and I'm using the Archangel Power Tarot cards by Doreen Virtue and Radley Valentine. So let's get into the reading of the week and see what are the messages that our angels want to tell us. Ace of Michael is the first card. So some of you may have had a lot of bumps in your road, and probably to hinder your progress. You might have felt that there are too many obstacles and situations that was hindering your progress. I feel that now things will start moving forward. If not completely, at least 50% of your problems will get solved. You will start moving forward in your life. I feel that if some of you felt that there was a lot of miscommunication around you with your friends or family members, I feel that you're going to clear up those communication problem with others. I think you're going to take a stand and make sure that you communicate with others, and you want to make things right with everyone, because you're in a position in your life where you need people around you and you feel that family is important and friends are important. So you're kind of taking that step to stop any sort of miscommunication happening in your life. So yes, things are moving forward, especially misunderstandings are coming to an end. And also the message that, even if there are road bumps in your life even now, don't allow that to hinder your progress. Don't let it stop you from doing what you want to do, or believing in life, or believing in miracles. So try and remain positive this week. Let's see the next card. The same card just came up, so I think the messages would be the same. I'm going to shuffle again and take out then another card. Okay, the High Priestess. So this week you have to be careful about your emotions, especially women. I feel that they might feel that they are they might feel that they have a lot of mood swings, and they are not being able to deal with a lot of issues around them. But this also is a card that signifies powerful psychic insight. So someone around you, or this could be even you may feel that your intuition is heightened. You may feel that meditation or reflection provides you very valuable information and answers. So I feel that you are using that power within you to feel at peace, to be at peace with yourself and others. I think this week is mostly about dealing with others, and you want to make things right. So that is the profound message for this week. So yeah, High Priestess is someone who's psychic, who's spiritual, who has certain intuition, and this person will use that intuition to help themselves and others. So that is a basic message coming in. Let's see the final card. Two of Ariel. Now this is a card that says that, again, balancing things in your life. Balance is important, and you're right now at that stage where you feel that your every aspect of your life needs balance. So you're working towards this. So everything is about moving forward, taking action, doing things. So there is a lot on your plate. So you could be working multiple jobs, or taking up multiple projects, and that is kind of pulling you down. So not really pulling you down, I think it's just making you exhausted, because you are doing a lot of tasks at once. So you're kind of tired and drained. So try and make your work fun, as much as you can, because it can, our work situations, dealing with clients and your seniors, bosses, it can take a toll on you. Like it does, especially for example, I'll give you my example. If I have a lot of readings during the week, by the end of the week I'm exhausted. So I try and take a day or two off, rest, relax, do my rituals, meditation, and then get back at it. So you need to be peaceful, you need to be well rested to do these multiple jobs. So like you see, this picture also talks about balance. If you, I don't know if you can see this, there is a balance symbol, yin and yang symbol. There's a person who's trying to stay balanced right at the edge of the tower. So that's what you're doing. It may feel like that you're right at the edge of a cliff or a tower and you're trying to balance so that you don't fall down. So you're trying to do as much as you can, especially professionally. So take care of yourself, take care of yourself and give yourself a break if you need to rest. So yes, rest is also important this week. So I hope this made sense. If you want a personal reading, send me a DM and I'll schedule an appointment as soon as possible for you. I'll see you very soon. Love and light to you all. Bye.